Thanks for tuning into my channel. This is at Ill DIY Fashion, and this is a quick DIY on a nice neon light for your room. And this could be a art aesthetic or any type of aesthetic that you were feeling, soft, or an edgy girl glam. I got this neon light from Hobby Lobby. The skeleton, I saw it outside and I just picked it up. I seen it at my neighbor's house and I just was wondering. I was like, if our kid leaves this outside, I'm gonna snatch it. And I did. And it's the cutest thing ever. I came in with some E9000, but I also used a hot glue gun from Michaels, and I've never used a glue gun or a glue stick that actually has some stickiness and tackiness to it. That was a good in glue. That was some good. That was like a 10 out of 10. But the E9000, that's some like a cement, and it just takes a little longer to dry, but it is a good buy as well. Now I'm up here on my ladder. I'm nailing it to the ceiling. This is my vibe I'm going for, it's more of my personality thing type thing. As y'all see, I'm clutching for dear life. I don't want to fall. I'm really close to the ceiling. So just don't judge me. Thanks for tuning in, guys. This has been at EWW DIY Fashion, Ill DIY Fashion, and you can find me on Facebook. Please follow, like, share. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.